Welcome all students. Today's our topic is measurements, exercise 2.2. Last week we have learned the exercise 2.1. Today we are going to see that exercise 2.2. Okay, so then our topic is related to the time, to 12 hours and 24 hours time. In the exercise 2.2, the first one they given it by wall clock. Okay, so you draw the wall clock in your classwork note. I'll just write the answers alone. Okay, you draw the wall clock in your classwork note and write the answers. The first one answer is, you can write it in three ways, that is 10, 15 hours or quarter past 10 or 45 minutes to 11. So these three answers are right. Okay, you can write it these three ways. Okay, the second one is 6:45 hours or quarter to 7, 45 minutes past 6, 45 minutes past 6. Okay, then third one answer is 4:10 hours or 10 minutes past 4, 10 minutes past 4 or 50 minutes to 5, 50 minutes to 5. Okay, then fourth one 3:30 hours, half past 3 or 30 minutes to 4, 30 minutes to 4. Okay, then last one, fifth answer 9:40 hours or 20 minutes to 10, 40 minutes past 9, 40 minutes past 9. So these are first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 subdivisions are there. You just draw the wall clock in your classwork note and write down these answers. Okay, the next question is, match the following. Okay, match the following: 9:55, 11:50, 4:15, 7:45, 2:20. Here 20 minutes past 2, quarter past 4, quarter to 8, 5 minutes to 10 and 10 minutes to 12. Okay, so the solution, first one answer is D answer, that is 5 minutes to 10. Okay, the second one answer is E, 10 minutes to 12, 10 minutes to 12. Third one B answer, quarter past 4, quarter past 4. Then fourth one answer is C, quarter to 8, quarter to 8. Fifth one A answer, 20 minutes past 2, 20 minutes past 2. So 5 minutes to 10, 10 minutes to 12, quarter past 4, quarter to 8, 20 minutes past 2. Okay, then third question they asked, convert the following. First one is 20 minutes into seconds. We have to convert this minutes to second. We already know 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 20 minutes is equal to how much? 20 into 60 seconds. So 20 into 60 is nothing but 120 seconds. So 20 minutes is equal to 1200 seconds. Okay, then second one, 5 hours 35 minutes 40 seconds into seconds. We have to convert this hours to seconds, minutes to seconds, seconds as it is seconds. Okay, so hours, 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 5 hours is equal to 5 into 3600. So 5 into 3600 is nothing but 18,000 seconds. Okay, then 35 minutes. 35 minutes is equal to 35 into 60. So 35 into 60 is nothing but 2100 seconds. So the next one is 40 seconds remaining the same, the 40 seconds. Okay, so you have to convert this. 5 hours is equal to 18,000. Then 35 minutes is equal to 2100. Then 40 seconds is equal to 40. So the answer is 0, 4, 1, 10, 2. So answer is 20,140 seconds. This is the answer of this 5 hours 35 minutes 40 seconds into seconds. Okay, then third one is 3 and a half hours into minutes. 3 and a half hours into minutes. So 3 hours, 3 and a half hours is nothing but, so 3 hours is nothing but 3 hours 30 minutes. Okay, it's nothing but 3 hours 30 minutes. Okay, we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so 3 hours 30 minutes means 3 into 60 plus the 30 minutes as it is. Okay, so 3 into 60 is nothing but 180. So 180 plus 30 is 210 minutes. Okay, so 3 and a half hours is nothing but 210 minutes. Okay, the next one is 580 minutes into hours. 580 minutes to hours. Okay, 580 minutes to hours. But we know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, isn't it? So 1 minute is equal to, what is it? 1 by 60 hours. Okay. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 hours. Okay. So 580 minutes is equal to 580 divided by 60. Okay, so 580 divided by 60. Okay, so 9 times 5, 40. Here 40 balance. So the quotient is hours and the remainder is minutes. So this is 9 hours 40 minutes. 9 hours 40 minutes. So 580 minutes is equal to 9 hours 40 minutes. Okay. Then the last question is 25,200 seconds into hours. Okay. 25,200 seconds into hours. How can you find out? Okay. That is 25,200 seconds into hours. Okay, so the only thing we know, the 1 hour is equal to 3600 minutes. So 1 minute is equal to 1 by 3600 hours. Okay, so we have to find out 25,200 seconds is equal to 25,200 divided by, okay, sorry, here is seconds, no. 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Okay, so 1 second is equal to 1 by 3600 hours. Okay, so 25,200 seconds is equal to 25,200 divided by 3600. Okay, you can directly cancel the 0 and 0. Yeah, so 252 36 times. So it definitely divisible by 7 times. 7 6 are 42, balance 4. 7 3 are 21, 21 plus 5. So the answer is 7 hours. So 25,200 seconds is equal to 7 hours. Okay. Okay. The next question is a word problem. Listen carefully. The duration of electricity consumed by the farmer for his pump set on Monday and Tuesday was 7 hours 20 minutes 35 seconds and 3 hours 44 minutes 50 seconds respectively. Find the total duration of consumption of electricity. Okay, so in Monday, hours, minutes, seconds. So 7 hours 20 minutes 35 he consumed. In Tuesday 3 hours 44 minutes 50 seconds. We have to find out the total consumption. Okay, so we have to add. So hours, minutes, seconds. 7, 20, 35, 3, 44, 50. Add these two. Here is 85, here is 64, here is 10. But we have only 60 seconds. Here is 60 minutes. No. So you have to take this 60 here. So 85 minus 60. The answer is 25. Okay. Here also you have to here also 64 minus 60. So 4 remaining, isn't it? So this 60 comes here. Again it gets 1. So 5 minutes. So then again this 60 goes here as 1 hour. So 10 plus 1. So the answer is 11 hours 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Once again I repeat, ma'am, this 85, but we have only 60 seconds. So 85 minus 60 is 25. So 25 seconds. Okay, here 64 minus 60 is 4, but this 60 comes here as 1 minute. So 4 plus 1 is 5 minutes. The 60 seconds goes here as a hours. So 10 plus 1 is 11. So 11 hours 5 minutes 25 seconds. So the total consumption is equal to 11 hours 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Okay. Then the next question is subtract 10 hours 20 minutes 35 seconds from 12 hours 18 minutes 40 seconds. Okay. So here is hours, minutes and seconds. So here is 10 hours 20 minutes, 12 hours. Here is 12 hours, 18 minutes 40 seconds. Here 10 hours 20 minutes 35 seconds. So you have to minus it. 40 minus 35 is 5. So 5 seconds. Here we can't take it 18 minus 20. So we just carry over this. So 60 plus 18. 1 minute need to carry over. So 60 plus 18 is 78. So 78 minus 20 is 58 minutes. Now here is only 11. So 11 minus 10 is 1 hour. So the answer is 1 hour 58 minutes 05 seconds. Okay, we can easily minus this 40 minus 35, but we can't do this 18 minus 20. So you borrow this 60 minutes here. So 60 plus 18 is 78. 78 minus 20 is 58 minutes. Okay, then here we have already given the 60 minutes here. So here is only 11 hours. So 11 minus 10 is 1 hour. Okay, yeah. So the next question is, change the following in 12 hour format. Change the following into 12 hour format. The first one is 2 hours. Okay, so 2 hours is nothing but 2 hours is nothing but 2 a.m. Okay, the next one is 8:45 hours. 8:45 hours, it is also in a.m. So 8:45 a.m. Okay, then third one is 21:10 hours. 21:10 hours, it is in the format of railway timing, 24 hours timing, no? So you have to convert this. So you have to minus this 21:10 by 12. Okay, so 10 here, 21 minus 12 is 9. So the answer is, again I'll do this here. 21:10 hours. 21. Okay, so 21:10 hours, you have to minus this 12. So the answer is, here is 10. 12 minus 12, 21 minus 12 is 9. Therefore 9:10 p.m. It is in perimeridian. Okay, so 9:10 p.m. Okay, the next one is 11:20 hours. Next one is 11:20 hours. So it is also in a.m. So 11:20 a.m. you can write it. Okay, then last one is 00:00 hours. It is nothing but 12 midnight. You called it this as 0 hours. So 12 midnight. Okay, then the next question is, change the following into 24 hours format. Change the following as 24 hours format. So the first one is 3:15 a.m. You can write it as 3:15 hours. 3:15 hours. 3:15 a.m. is nothing but 3:15 hours. Okay. The second one is 12:35 p.m. Okay, so you can write it as 12:35 hours. Okay. Then third one is 12 noon. So you can write it as 12 hours. 12 hours. Then fourth one is 12 midnight. 12 midnight. You can write it as 00:00 hours or 24 hours. You can write it both the method, 0:00 hours or 24 hours. Okay, you can write it both the method also. Okay, so next week we will continue the same exercise ma. You just write all the question and answers in your classwork note. Okay, yeah, now we stop this exercise here itself. Next week we will continue the 8th question. From 8th question we will see them next week onwards. Okay, thank you children.